Hey everyone, my name is Colin. I'm going to be teaching you guys how to set up and start gaming on your Xbox One console here today. So, to start off, you're going to need a list of things. The biggest one is going to be the console itself. You're also going to need a power cord and an HDMI cord to see what the heck you are doing. You're going to need a TV to plug into the HDMI cord to see what the heck you are doing. And you're going to need a controller and game to go with it. So, it's a very simple procedure. Let's go ahead and start off with the most basic thing, the console itself. So, on the console in the front, you're going to have a disc slot here and a power button here. You're going to make sure that those are very accessible for you. And on the back here, you're going to have a power port for the power cord and a HDMI port for the HDMI cord. Now, on the other side here, though, you're going to have a USB port and a sync button for the controllers. Now, I'm going to want to make sure this is in a very safe and sturdy location. That way it's not getting damaged nor knocked over. So, for the sake of this video, let's go ahead and put it on the shelf here. Next, you're going to want to get the power cord up and running for it. So, like I said, on the back of it, there's going to be a port for this and a very basic plug and outlet to give it some power. So let's go ahead and plug this bad boy in. And once we do so, we are getting power to our Xbox One. So let's go ahead and we'll turn this guy on, even though it's not going to do us any good without the HDMI cord. Let me turn on the TV here. So it's not going to show up anything here on the TV because, like I said, we haven't plugged in that cord. That's what's going to show us what the heck is going on the console itself. So the HDMI has very identical ports, and you might be thinking which one goes in the Xbox, which one goes in the TV. Don't worry about it. They're all very universal nowadays, so they're going to be the same on either side. Now the TV, it should be on the back or the side of it, and you're going to want to go ahead and plug it in to the one with the channel you want it on. And voila. You know that you plugged that guy in successfully when you have the visuals on the TV. Now, if you plugged it in, you're saying, where the heck is it? It might be on a different channel. Just go ahead and switch the channel. If that doesn't work, definitely see what the heck you did wrong. Now, this is not required. This is something that only gamers might understand. It's an external hard drive. Now, sometimes the internal hard drive on the console itself does not give you enough space. That's what this sucker is for. So I'm going to go ahead and plug this on so I don't have to re-download any of my content. It should all be right there on that external hard drive in the box itself. Next, I want my controller to be set up. Now, I know this is my controller to my Xbox, so I know it's automatically going to work. As you can see, it is moving everything there on the screen. Say this isn't working, though, and you want to make sure that it is going to that Xbox. There is a button there on the top of the controller, as you can see right here. You're going to want to hold that down until the light is blinking. Now, once the light is blinking, we're going to press that sync button that I showed you earlier on the side of the Xbox next to the USB and hold that down until the light on the Xbox is blinking as well. Now, you see they are both blinking, but once they start to blink just a tad bit slower and stop blinking entirely, you know that you are ready to control what is happening on the TV. As you can see, I am. Now, because of popularity and because it's easy to download right there to your Xbox for free, this is Fortnite here. Now, most games are like that nowadays where you can just download it right to your Xbox and get to playing. Well, it looks like I have an update here on this one, so let's go ahead and close that bad boy out. Because today I had a game to show you in the disc to make sure you know how to install it correctly. Now, this is Tom Clancy's The Division. I picked this one because it is coming out with the second one next month, so I wanted to make sure I'm geared up and ready for it. So in that disc slot in the front, like I was saying earlier, you're going to want to make sure that's accessible. You're just going to go ahead and slide it right in there. The console will grab it, and then you have the disc in there. It used to be where you press a button, it'll come out. You got to put the disc in the tray itself, press the button again, it'll slide back in, it'll start up the game. No matter anymore. It looks like we are just dealing with the slot itself, like a CD player in a car. But anyways, we are up and running now. It looks like the division is going, and well, there you have it. You're ready to game on your Xbox One. You got to learn your controls for the different games and whatnot, but that comes with practice. So I hope you guys have learned something. I hope you guys are having a wonderful rest of your evening, and take care. We'll see you next time. Thank you.